I've invited celebrated French chef Eric Fraudeau to challenge me with a dinner menu. Several years ago, I attended a cooking school in France owned by Eric and his wife, Yetunde Oshodi. I believe that they consider me Eric's star protege. They're gonna love doing this with me.
Now, I got this email from Tim Stutler, who was a former student in our Week in Uzes program. Tim has this YouTube channel and he does these shows called Bourbon Dinners, and he asked us to send him a recipe challenge.
Bourbon's dinner. I don't remember the guy. I don't know if he's even good.
Eric?
Yeah, I don't know if I have time for that kind of thing, to be honest with you. Tim, I will do it. But if you screw up, believe me, you will remember us.